Hi guys, I'm here again to talk to you about quadcopters. A lot of persons from other countries every day are hitting my channel looking for any solution for your quadcopters to fly again and come back to the air doing some wonderful images of your city, in your job, in a fest, in a party, for your friends, looking for any fun. Have fun is so important in this life. Well, but the reality is that it isn't available a lot of professionals for drone repair around the world. For example, here in Brazil, I'm teach for 137 professionals and they are now working here. But in other places, I know that there's no persons for help. And a lot of persons is here every day looking for a solution. And I teach to persons that speak in other languages, in French, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Chinese. Yes, Chinese persons looking for solution for quadcopters. Well, if I have a way to help the people, I'm here for help. Well done, guys. For today, I will teach to you and I will talk to you about IMU, the unit for static and movement. Wow! Without IMU, there is no move in your quadcopter. Well done. Let's go. I'm receiving here this quadcopter for repair. The card to the owner, the quadcopter, start the system, but don't fly. I think that IMU can't work, and I try to solve this damage now. Well, let me see what happens here. The first thing I need to talk to you is that I don't turn on my quadcopter. Uh, I don't have a quadcopter. I replace quadcopters and I repair quadcopters every day. If I have a quadcopter, there's no time for fly because I teach, I go to the gym to do my exercise and be strong, and I work here with Jones repair. There's no time for fly. But if I turn on a quadcopter, I only turn on when the place in the place and close to the place there's a good way for search GPS signal. For me, it's too important because the system needs to start the work at the same time. The gyroscope, compass, the GPS, IMU, barometer, the optical system or fluid optical system, visor positioning. Okay, I need to show it to you, but I need to see if any battery is good for use now. Let's go. When I turn on the quadcopter, the first thing I need to see is if the motors are working fine, if there is anything in the quadcopter, it's possible to burn your quadcopter. Well, start the system and let's go for a look what's happening here. Listen. System works, but look, the red light, the quadcopter will be bounded, but there's no way for flight. It's bounded. Look, the gimbal works perfectly, but there's no way for flight. There's nothing. The red light talks that anything is bad in my system, and I'm skilled to discover damage. Here, I have a problem with IMU, and I will show to you now the app, and then I will solve the situation talking about IMU system. I am an IMU system because I may be here, stop it, and stop the movie. This control is an IMU system because it's possible be stopped here and anything start the move. The quadcopter is still an IMU system, but a system to calculate the position. And I will have movement in the quadcopter if I make possible again this quadcopter discover where is it here or here, 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 because this quadcopter is lost in time and space. And I will show to you what I make here for solve this situation. Let's go to the app now. Okay, my app is in Portuguese because I'm in Brazil. I will turn on my quadcopter. On a minute, it's binding. Now it's reading. Look, I'm here in this point. I have a message talking about IMU. Let's go. And I've without calibration. I will try to calibrate IMU now. Let's go. The first step, you need to follow all the steps here in your quadcopter. The time is too important. If your IMU is fast for calibrate, it's good for job. And this case here, in this case, we have a bad work in this IMU, and I need to solve because there is no calibration. There's no way for this quadcopter to fly. Look here, in this point, the quadcopter seems moving, but it's stopped here on my table. Look, the IMU is bad. And my way here isn't replacing. I won't change this IMU. I will repair this own IMU without change. Perfect. There's no way for calibrate. I will stop this video and no. It's working slowly, but working. Well, I will stop and I come back if this first step of IMU will be good. Well, now the processor is too hot and there's no way for this job. I need to find other solution. Look, the quadcopter is too hot. I need to turn off. Well, the first step, I need to refresh the firmware here in this quadcopter. And I need to turn on and place the USB cable in the computer. This is my next step. Turn on the quadcopter and place in the computer. You need to find the perfect USB connection in your computer. Let me see. Nothing. Maybe possible that the quadcopter may be damaged too. Bad. I think that I have no other USB connection, only this one, and a message that the driver won't be perfect here, that I need to find a solution. Don't function. Let me make a thing here, trying to connect the control for look if this version is perfect for use. No function to the control. It's bad. Let me change the USB cable. Hmm, nothing. Don't work at the quadcopter too. It doesn't work. Well, I need to solve. Any times when you are trying to connect yourself, your quadcopter in the computer, anything will be bad and will no function. I need to try a solution here. Well, guys, I have a problem here. This is the quadcopter I'm repairing. Impossible to be recognized by the computer. There's no function now. Look. But I've here these sample quadcopters for repair all day recognized by computer. So I need to believe that the flat cable in this quadcopter here is burned. It has function. Let me see if this quadcopter turn it on. Look, at this moment, the red light fixed, and the quadcopter doesn't finish the initial process. Now, this quadcopter won't be recognized by the computer. I've checked with other elements. I've checked with other USB cable. And look, look. Nothing. I will try to other red card. Uh, isn't the same. Listen. Look, the same damage. The same. Now, the same quadcopter. Look, the same damage for that. Now the same quadcopter, DJI Mavic Mini. With this white black cable. This one without damage. Close for fly. Look. Perfect. Okay, guys. Flat cable damaged. and I need to replace. I need to discover a solution here. Flat cable has a lot of small connections, and these connections need to be perfect because if it's not perfect, there's no way for functioning of quadcopter. And I will open this quadcopter and change the flat cable, and I think that after this quadcopter can to fly. And I need to replace, and I need to calibrate, and I will arrive at the solution for this flat copter because flat cable is the main. Let's go. Well, guys, now I'm working fast. On a minute, and look the system. The flat cable was bad, and now I'm trying to calibrate IMU, but I think that it will stop. I think that it's not good. It stopped to do the calibration. Okay, it works. All a minute. Oh, wonderful. All a minute. The quadcopter is is okay. Okay. Important is work. How I make it is don't important. And I will have fun looking what I'm doing here in my house for calibrate this IMU. Okay. How it works. Perfect. What happens here? Anything is bad. But look what I'm doing for calibrate the quadcopter. Look, I think that there is anything bad here without connection. All a minute, I will turn off the quadcopter, and I was calibrate. Oh, look! It's calibrating IMU. I need to finish the calibration. No calibration bad. Let me start the calibration. Look, it's fast now. Flat cable was damaged. Look, now it works fast. At this point, I think that the quadcopter is delaying a lot. Whoa, wonderful. Only one step else. Oh, okay. It's going. Fantastic. It works fast now. And I was using that wonderful machine for calibrate this quadcopter. I have in my hand, look, for because I need of this quadcopter so cold, but the quadcopter was warming a lot, and the system doesn't work when the quadcopter is too hot. Perfect. Now I have condition to fly. Hold a minute. I need to turn off. Look. Now I have condition for fly. I need to calibrate gimbal, but now this quadcopter works. Wonderful.
Take off.
Wonderful.